What we working on today, Colin? I don't even know what this is.
Gay.
This thing's a Honda, right? This thing gets VTEC. Does this thing say it on it? Yeah, it does. Mickey Thompson's snap-on rolly thing.
Call the Fox Shocks.
Dude, Fox Shocks, there's money in here.
Nice.
This will come out nice.
Yeah, cause I'm doing it. Yeah, cause I'm doing it. Yeah, cause I'm doing it. Yeah, cause I'm doing it.
Oh, here. I brought this thing.
Hey, definitely don't need that.
Yeah. You see where it catches all the paint that would you normally get on your finger and stuff?
Sick.
That's a good job. Talking about.
Yeah, I have one.
Alright, I think that's sick.
Where's that wrench set you just had?
On the grill.
On the toolbox.
Yeah.
Big grills. Hashtag toolbox.
We're fixing the nut rotted away on my O2 sensor. So,
She ain't got no nut, fucking Toyota.
boy.
Boy, you drive a Mazda, dude!
So, we're gonna fix that by just jamming another nut on there.
Don't worry about like.
Ready?
I'm gonna edit it.
Right at the top.
That's a run. Ooh.
Ooh, the one.
That's a run.
The one run, dude.
All right, you guys, this is good enough. I put it in.
Okay, there we go.
All right.
1 to 10, this is a 3.
Oh, that's a bad one right there.
Boy! About in the limbo.
Yeah, you gotta wait for her to see.
Yo, jack her up.
Go, 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 go.
Dude, this looks like ass cheek. Actually, it's not that bad.
What the fuck is that from?
That's leather. That's that Dodge seat cover. Yo, I like that radio. That's the same one you have in the blue truck, right?
Woo.
Get that gauges though. None of them work, but they look mint, dude. Actually, which ones work? Boost
All of
works.
them.
They all work now?
Yeah.
Okay. Because last time I think we talked, one of them didn't work or something.
2 then.
I love those little lights you do underneath the seats.
Yeah.
That's good.
Alright.
All right, too much. What
That's
happened in the back window?
Oh.
Wait, 35s, 33s, 35s, 33s. There's a considerable difference there.
Yeah, I know. Holy shit. Wow. Check her out.
Mine are only like 10. What are yours?
Mine are 12.5.
12.5. And we're gonna be doing a light bar unboxing. We got a few here. They're the $25. Actually no. You know what? These aren't $25. These are actually the $300. What's that good brand?
Rigid. No.
No. Well, these are the good ones.
Traveler.
Yeah.
That's a Traveler special.
That's still like the real bad stuff.
You could just spray over it again.
Yo, this actually looks nice.
Fucking
Ain't bad.
Yo, Colin, here, we're gonna get you unboxing that real quick. That's your new light bar.
Oh, dude.
Oh, good enough for you. You gotta pass it correctly.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Fuck you over.
Yo, actually, there's not much bubble wrap in there. You know how those eBay things are.
Oh shit, she's shining.
Oh my god, that shit shines more than my fucking future.
Hold on a damn second. What the fuck?
No, that's just mine, dude.
This one's different.
No, it's mine.
Look at all the screws.
No, fuck you, that's mine.
Ah, I got a better one.
Yo, Colin got the good one. Fuck that.
Yo,
I wonder actually if they. Yo, damn, this one is better. Let me see that shit again. This thing looks mint. This looks a lot better than mine.
Fuck that shit.
About to put a coat of wax on it.
Oh, that's glass, all right. You can hear that glass, right?
Oh yeah.
That's that eBay glass.
Hold on.
Yeah, I think they're the same, really. I think they just added these for effect. Yo, I gotta order another one now, dude.
Nah, hold on. Nah, it's different. It's different.
Is it like completely different?
Yeah, it's different.
Is it way more?
The wire needs. Hold on.
Oh, the wire's on a different side, too.
This one weighs more.
Is it weighs more?
Yeah.
This one?
Feel it.
I don't know. This one's pretty heavy.
I think that one weighs more.
Marcus, let me know when it's 6:50 so I turn this off.
What's 650?
With the time 6:50 so I don't drain my battery. Here we go. Marcus is kind of weak. You're bumping it.
Where's the lighter? Evan.
Yo, I have 3 things in my hand. What the
So the paint came out a lot better. Drying right now.
You can't even upload this now because the music's copyrighted.
This came out nicely.
Oh, I thought it was going to the wall.
Can't even see it.
I'm going on my Instagram.
Yo, spin it around so I can see the front of it with the GoPro. I don't know if I can spin it around though.
How do I turn the screen back on, Ryan? Sneak up Ryan here. Do it. Nice front bumper game. And then there's Ryan. You need one. Oh, you have one?
Yeah.
Can't see it. Is it because it's dark? You didn't even take.
It's just there.
You're lazy.
The glass, dude.
You're fucking lazy.
Oh shit.
In the daylight though, like when you're going in.
That's called laziness.
That is. But you can see it.
I remember when Colin did his and it was so fucked up with the Y.
Really?
Yeah, when he put it for the boys. Remember? You cut in shit and then we just put a new one on.
You gotta get for the boys right here and a stud dude right here.
Sorry.
And, wait, is that where your antlers are gonna go?
Stop.
Really? Put her on there.
Chad's pulling in.
Oh, there she is. Banana. Colin's trying to do that VTEC with the spray paint.
Yeah, he whips it. You know this?
Just like Marcus into
This
curves.
is a live commentary, ready? You got it.
Pussy. Thing runs mint.
Thing starts first try.
It seems better, Dave. It's turnkey. Wait, I did it on purpose.
I hope so.
Alright, get in.
You tell Colin and Marcus in here.
You need a lock washer, not a fucking lock.
The lock washer's already in.
On the bolt? You don't want it on the bolt, you want it on the nut.
The ball.
Yo, where's the lock washer?
It's on the ball.
You don't want it on the bolt, you want it on the nut.
How do you want on the nut?
Because the nut's the thing that's gonna back off. I love how the bolt's sideways. It's not lining up as good as I thought.
Y'all come here off the time.
What do you think you're doing with that camera?
Oh, we need a bigger washer.
We need a bigger washer. Whoa! Chip it down!
See how she's trying to
It fell out.
That's what she said.
That'll happen. Get some big washers. Let's go get some. I get that logo sponsored.
Yo, go get the regular washers that came with it.
Alright.
10 man, you help me since you helped me take it off.
I'll tell you when it's about to hit something.
Evan's about to be like, you're there.
You're good.
You're good.
Smashing into something. Stop.
Not Ryan, seriously.
It's definitely
The one that you just rubbed up against, I hope it didn't fuck it up, because that'd be...
I'm gonna hit the one 10 times, so. Slowly.
Lower it?
Yeah, lower it. Yeah. Squeeze it.
One more?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta do that. Here you go.
You gotta go more your way.
Ooh, that looks good. Where's the light? Union. Oh, give me one of them bolts. Give me one of them bolts. Oh, one, yeah. Alright, go in a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. Stop. Ryan, does that look level?
That looks good.
Does it look dead ass level?
Cruising down Crenshaw.
Jack, look at where it meets the fender. Does it look level?
It looks good, yeah.
Like it's your words.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, she's lit.
Yep. Yep. That came out nice.
What's your bets? You think the hood's gonna hit the light bar?
Huh, I hope not.
No.
At $5 it doesn't.
Just kidding around.
Let's go.
Let's see.
$5
No, that
it
won't fit. I'll bet you $1,000 it won't hit.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It won't hit. Smack the bumper.
Alright, what's it?
It's on the board.
Why is it hitting the bumper now?
Midget and fat? Huh? Fat midget. Yeah. Not
No, bitch.
right. I'm talking-
Hey, Zach. Who's that shotgun now?
I got shotgun in his
I'm not taking Zach.
Yo, Zach, push the winch a little bit.
I can't get back out, so I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Hey, pull it out a little bit. Push it against the... A little more. Stop, a little more.
That cleared it good.
Oh, wait, you blow it out a little bit, you fucking jackass. Push it in a little bit. You fucking... Are you really that retarded? Pull it out a little bit. A little more. A little more. A little more.
You said a little.
Little more. Little more. Stop.
You know when I pulled up the Michael said. When he was his ex. They broke up again.